Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Tell us something about your university and the kind of work which you are doing.
We are into a private university mode, and it is Chitkara University. We have two universities. One is in Punjab, that is Chitkara University, Punjab, and the second is in Chitkara University, Himachal Pradesh. It is under the State Act, so we are purely private university, not the deemed or the central university. Now here, because this university was started by the educationists, so we are into education for the last 35 years. So our motto was that the main focus, because our charter says, our value system says that it should be focused on the student-centric approach. So in that way, we have done so many programs in our university, which is focused on the students' achievements. And the second focus which we are doing is our teachers, because they are the backbone of the system. So, and third part which is very important for us is the society, because these three are very important pools of our system. So now the latest one is where we are going ahead is the normal teaching learning processes. We are doing very good, but the latest thing which we are starting is the incubator centers. So we have given the seed money to our students, and till today we have 5 incubators with us. One is they are working into, that Tri-Deal, and it's online, this thing. So student, we gave the seed money, and he has started working in Chandigarh, so doing very good, great business. The second was a Yellow Cursor. So they are giving the lectures through Yellow Cursors to the institutes, and he is also doing very well. We have one ERP system which is Chalkpad and Schoolpad. So our university is also working on Chalkpad, and they were also alumni of Chitkara University. So now this is our next step, which is different. And in some of the courses, for example, pharmacy, we have started working on the patents. So we have applied for it. 3-4 patents are already accepted. The third part, which is very important for us, is the renewable energy, where we are facing so many problems in electricity. We are facing the problems in renewing the energy which we have wasted. So the third focus of our university is to work on the renewable energy.
So how are you going to work on the renewable energy?
We have joined hand with PIDA. There is an organization, Punjab department, and they are giving the subsidies to the universities for working on it. So we started with the street lights on our campus, and students are working on those projects. They have already gone with one of the poles. It's they have given the name as a tree, energy tree. So this is working on solar, purely on solar energy.
And what are the other energies which are, for instance, there is biomass, there is solar
and biogas. Now we have started with the biogas thing, and we have tied up with the Delhi party, and they are working on it, that whatever is the waste, the sludge is there. So now we have given in our hostels, we have made 2 lines separate. One is for the sludge and one is for the water, this thing. So sludge is going into this, and biogas is generated. The third is we have so much of waste from our mess. So that material is there, and it was all wasted. So we have started with the vermicompost. So that all waste is used into the vermicompost, and the manure of the whole campus. It's a big campus, 50 acres. So the whole manure is developed by that vermicompost. And the next is that there is so much of waste in the paper. We are wasting so much of paper.
Right.
And now we are using that paper, and we have our own machine. So all the paper, there's letterheads and everything is made by reusing that paper.
There are so many institutes which has sprouted up, mushroomed up in a couple of years, past 5-6 years. So a new startup, it is very difficult for a new startup in this challenging world. So what do you think is the challenge as of now?
So it's not the mushrooming, if you cannot say this, because if you see the data, they say Sam Petroda's report was there. There is a need of so many universities. But the only thing is there will be a survival of the fittest. Whosoever will try to do something good, something different,
Ma'am,
something
what's the
innovative.
use if they are not, these universities are not able to provide quality education or the kind of placement which is required?
They themselves will.
If a university student is not able to get good job, then what's the use of the education which he has?
That is why I'm saying now
The
that if
private
the
institutes are giving their students good education, quality education, and also the placement. Bigger companies are coming into the private institutes, not into the university. What exactly is the problem? Where are we lacking behind?
that is the only thing that today's my topic is this only, that we are not interacting with the industry. That academia industry interaction is not there. So if that is not there, we will not be able to place them. They have to know. The industry should know that what innovative programs the university is doing and how their students will do the change in their industry.
Right.
Now, for example, I will give you a very good example that some of our students were placed. Now, in Chatkara, it's a 100% placement.
Right.
Reason being, from day one, we are talking to the industries that our product, which is going out of our campus, is very good, and you just talk to them. Now, when they are going there, they are coming to us just to have our in-house programs where, now, for example, you see the Wipro. You see Infosys. Infosys is doing the Campus Connect program, and they have made that center in our university. What they are saying is that you just give this program to your students when they are coming to us. Then it will be as a challenge for them.
How was your overall experience so far here
With
with WES?
is very good. Well, just I wanted to appreciate your efforts, because when you come here, you see that it's a very environment which is full of education, and the technology. I think you are working very hard for taking the technology into the education system. And the best part is that you are working on the school education, higher education, industry, and everybody is part of it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's a pleasure having you.
Thank you.